Seal coating pro tip, best equipment to start out with. What's going on? My name's Judd Burdon, been in the industry for 20 plus years, and I want to drop value to you as we power forward with this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you what equipment is best for seal coating that you should start with so that you can really get off on the right foot. So buying the right seal coating equipment that you will start out with really depends on a budget. So what kind of budget do you have to be able to invest into this business? You see, there's an evolution chain of your growth in this industry. You can start out just like I did on one end, which is a 5-gallon pail of sealer, a paint roller, a whipper snipper, and ultimately some shovels and some edgers. And what I would do is go to the driveway, clean it all up, make sure it was swept off nice and clean. I would shake the 5-gallon pail of asphalt sealer between my legs, and I would use the paint roller to ultimately spread the sealer out all over the driveway that I dumped it out on. That's how I started, and it cost me less than $250 to get started in this business, and I was able to make approximately $150 for every 600 square foot driveway, or what we call a 4-car driveway, every one that I did. And I would do 4 to 5 of those a day, making $600 a day doing it that way. But if I would have had more money to start out with right out of the get-go, I would have chosen different seal coating equipment to start out with. And this pro tip right here is so important. If you have a budget that's higher than that $250 number and you really want to get kick-started in the industry, start in deeper on that evolution chain so that you can invest into a package of seal coating equipment that will truly allow you to get kick-started more powerfully, and you'll be able to have a much higher earning potential. That's the key. So if you want to get started just out of the gate with a very low budget, you can do that. But if you have more money to invest into the proper seal coating equipment to get started with, I would recommend that you go with what we call a tanked spray system. At Asphalt Kingdom, we have spray systems that range from 130 gallon all the way up to 1,000 gallons on extended deck trailer rigs or truck mounted skid units as well. But if you got started with one of those larger equipment packages, we would be able to help you grow into a 6-figure business within a 12-month period. And then, of course, like many of our other clients, grow into a 7-figure business within 3 short years. I'm really interested in hearing if you've started in the industry, what you started with when you first got started with the seal coating business. And if you haven't started yet, drop a comment down below as well with what equipment you're planning on getting started with. We'd love to hear your feedback down in the comments. Always looking for great information or any questions that you might have. Feel free to share, again, down in the comments. Also subscribe if you like the content that we push out. You'll get to see more of the content that we provide, which ultimately helps you power forward with your asphalt maintenance business. We really look forward to seeing you on our next video. Thanks for tuning in. See ya. If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.